Good morning. I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology Educational Content Creators. Today's content for Class 9, CBSE, ICSE and other boards. Topic Animal Tissue. Today I will discuss about the muscular tissue and the skeletal tissue. What is muscular tissue? The muscular tissue are bundled together and surrounded by a tough connective tissue similar to cartilage known as epimysium. The bundle of nerve cells that run in long fibers called fascicles are surrounded by the epimysium. The fascicles are surrounded by a protective layer known as perimysium. It allows the flow of nerves and bloods to the individual fibers. Then another protective layer, the endomysium, surrounds the fiber. These layers and muscles help in the contraction of different parts of the muscles. The different bundle sites past one another as they contract. The epimysium connects to the tendons attached to the peristeum, connective tissue that surrounded the bones. This helps in the movement of the skeleton when the muscles contract. The epimysium connects to other connective tissue to produce a force on the organ and control everything from circulation to food processing. Next, properties of muscular tissue. Contractibility. It is the ability of muscle cells to shorten forcefully. Extensibility. A muscle has the ability to be stretched. Elasticity. The muscles have the ability to recoil back to its original length after being stretched. Next, excitability. The muscle tissue responds to a stimulus delivered from a motor neuron or hormone. Types of the muscular tissue. Muscular tissue are three types. That is skeletal muscular tissue, smooth muscular tissue and cardiac muscular tissue. Today we will discuss about the skeletal muscular tissue. So, skeletal muscular tissue accounts for approximately 40% of the body's mass and is essential for movement, facial expression, posture and voluntary actions. Location. It attaches to bone and contracts to perform this function. Skeletal muscle also plays an important role in the thermal regulation of producing heat during contraction, particularly in shivering and involuntary response to low body temperature. Structure. Skeletal muscle cells or myocytes develop from myoblasts derived from the mesoderm layer and are organized into the bundle surrounded by connective tissue. Under a light microscope, skeletal muscle cells appear striated due to the arrangement of contractile proteins, actin and myosin, as well as structural protein linking them to connective tissues. They are multinucleated, resulting from myoblast fusion during muscle fiber formation. Next, function of the skeletal muscular tissue. Functions of the skeletal muscular tissues are support. It provides the structural support for the body and serves as the attachment point of the muscles and tendons. Movement. It facilitates movement by providing a framework for muscles to act upon. Protection. It protects internal organ from damage. Mineral storage. It stores mineral and fat, releasing them when needed. Blood cell production. It produces blood cell primarily in the red marrow of bones. Endocrine regulation. It produces osteocalcina hormone that regulates cellular response to insulin stimuli. Today's topic has ended. Next we will discuss about the smooth muscle cells and cardiac muscle tissue.